Good day sa mga viewers, and meron tayong panibagong video. This time magpa-box break tayo nitong card ng Panini Adrenaline XL FIFA Women's World Cup. So ayan, nabili natin to sa Shopee, pero imbis na 2.8 ang presyo, it's 5% off. So bumili tayo sa Shopee ng isang box. Kung napanood nyo yung mga dating video, puro pack opening lang tayo. This time bubuksan natin yung itong box. So as usual, tulad ng mga dating video, maghanap tayo ng cards ng ating Philippine Women's National Team. So far naka tatlong player na tayo. Si Olivia McDaniel, ito napapirma pa niya, so thank you kay Olivia. Si Q, Quinly Quesada, and Tanay Anis. Tas yung pang-apat is Crest ng Philippines. So hopefully may makuha tayo dito. And di lang naman din yun, pati yung mga players ng top players ng FIFA Women's World Cup. So ayun, papalapit na tayo sa exciting part ng tournament, and in just a few days we'll know sino ang magcha-champion sa Women's World Cup. First time winner sa tournament. So yan, buksan na natin. So itong box na to, there's 24, may 24 packs, and as usual 6 each. So you expect may mga inserts like yung fans favorite, ang gold machine, and may top master dito, and yun. So simulan na natin. Tabi muna natin to. Ito yung mga dating dami. So, mga dating nating pack opening. So ngayon box break tayo. So here we go. First pack. Ayan. Ano natin? First player si Yui ng China. Ilang beses natin nabubunot sa mga pack opening. Onokayashi ng Japan. Insert. May ano yan. Si Tanti Kim Tan, goalkeeper ng Vietnam. Juan Hernandez ng Spain. And Titan si Shimizu ng Japan. And we got Kuni Cross ng Australia, the host country. Iwalin natin dito yan. Mga insert. So first pack. So paspasin natin para Behe ng Denmark, Groningen ng Netherlands, inserts, Hansen ng Norway, and again Lena Oberdorf ng Germany. Then ang inserts and top keeper, it's Musovic and Team Crest ng Vietnam. So yan. Next up, first Philippine player natin sa card na to, it's Jessica Cowart, the center back ng Pilipinas. At yun nga lang, nung first game against Switzerland, natawagan ng foul courtesy of VAR, but she did well defensively. She was among those who did well defensively dun sa win over New Zealand. So top players na ating team. So ngayon, panlima na natin to sa panglimang player na nabunot natin sa mga kasama na yung mga dating opening natin ng mga pack So, yung mga dalawa na lang ang hanapin natin. So, Jessica Cowart, defender ng Philippine Women's National Team. Then we got Grosso ng Canada, Spence ng Jamaica, insert, and another Olivia McDaniel. So, pangatlo na natin to. Tama na natin nabubunot na card ni Olivia McDaniel. And we got Suabi ng Jamaica. And our fans favorite, it's Panda ng Zambia. And next pack, Perise ng France, Muemba ng Zambia. Okay, insert. Leon ng Canada, Alvarado ng Costa Rica, and rookie, it's Selma Baka ng France. And we got fans favorite, it's Pandezok ng Netherlands. Right. Oops. Maganda yung natin. Bukas. Medyo nasanay na tayo sa bukas ng pack. So, Isidoro ng Brazil. Haset ng New Zealand, the co-host. Uy, another Musovic, this time base card. Proms ng Germany. Then we got Schuler ng Germany, Gold Machine, and Team Crest ng Colombia. So, sa Colombia, wala pa natin nahanap si Linda Caicedo. 18-year-old star, Colombian team. Ilisdet ng Sweden, Arsenal player. Sullivan, Ireland. And metin natin ito pero may idea na ako. Then we got Yumin ng South Korea, or Korea Republic. And we got Alex Morgan ng United States, na maagang nasipa sa tournament, losing to Sweden in the round of 16. And we got Invincible. Ito yung card na very rare daw na namin naghahanap sa mga napapanood kong break. So we got Kumagay, Kier Walsh, Ada Ederberg, and Nair. So nice. Mamaya natin yan. Ilagay natin sa sleeves, and that's the logo of the FIFA Women's World Cup. So, ganda experience natin nung pumunta tayo doon to cover the games for Philippine Daily Inquirer. Grabe experience na yun. Silva ng Portugal, Jiayui ng China, dalawang insert. Olga Carmona ng Spain, Kanu ng Nigeria. Then it's Mallory Swanson, game changer, the United States. And Sophia Jakobsson ng Sweden, tama. So, yan. Jun Endo ng Japan, Spawa ng Denmark. Minsan nakala ko yung player ng Switzerland, yung maraming followers, ang pangalan nun. Mamaya, tingin ko mabubunot natin yun eh. Talong insert. Si Sophia ng Germany, hindi natin ma-pronounce yung pilido. Cedeno ng Panama. Then we got Grace Gayoro ng France. Magician. And then Team Crest ng Switzerland who face the Philippines in the opening match first match ng Pilipinas sa World Cup. Yun nga lang talo 2-0. 2-0. Sorry. Jill Rood ng Netherlands. Si Sakina ng France. Okay, hindi natin ma-pronounce yung pangalan. And Kiao Zhu, China. Pernil Harder ng Denmark. Jonah Anderson ng Sweden. And then we got it's the Team Crest of Jamaica. One of the surprise teams ng tournament. They made the round of 16. Talo lang sa Colombia. Next pack, Belemo ng Zambia. And we got Sam Kerr ng Australia. Kaso si Sam Kerr injured, so limited ang playing time niya sa tournament na to. But one of the best women's football players sa mundo. She plays for Chelsea in the WSL. And we got the mascot ng World Cup, si Tazuni. Yan. Ito yung mascot na, kung nakikita nyo, may stop toy ni Tazuni. Bili tayo dun eh. Utema ng Canada. And we got legend, it's Alexander Pop ng Germany. May na-score 2 goals but Germany failed to make get past the group stage. The stunning early exit para sa Germany kasi sa mga favorites to win the tournament. And another German player, it's Sven Hut, fans favorite. Then halfway na tayo sa box. So these are 12, pang 12 natin to, I believe. Ia Percival ng New Zealand. Paul Mee ng Switzerland. We got Rodriguez ng Costa Rica. Another Rodriguez ng Spain. Itong dalawang to, it's Rafael Titan ng Brazil. And fans favorite, Paul Kinghorn ng Australia. Ito na. Dating pack. The finals will be held in Sydney. There will be a new champion. Kasi yung mga dating nag-champion nasilat na. O'Gorman ng Ireland, Silva ng Portugal. Dalawang insert. Galawang camera. Swanson ng Amerika. Buchanan ng Canada. And top keeper, it's Mary Earps ng England. And Team Crest ng Zambia. Right. Ito lang tayo. Castillo ng Spain. Tuyet Dung ng Vietnam. Carpenter ng Australia. And it's Engen ng Norway. Schuler ng Germany. And Sinto, it's Katie McCabe ng Ireland. Fans favorite. And Arsenal player. Kaya binabanggit ko yung Arsenal kasi favorite team ko yan sa Premier League. So, dahil doon, You have to also be a fan nung women's team sa WSL. Nair ng US, Cometi ng Argentina, Carol ng Portugal, Yamashita ng Japan, Rose Label ng US, and Tamirez, fans favorite ng Brazil. Grabe yung performance ng US sa tournament. The only isang beses nanalo, which is against Vietnam. Then puro tabla sa Netherlands. Then muntik pa silang ma-eliminate sa last group stage game. Draw against Portugal bago sila nadali ng Sweden by shootout. So to, Caroline ng Brazil, Bailey ng Panama. Uy, si Kuayo na naman ng China. And another, Pernilla Harder ng Denmark. And we got a legend, Saki Kumagai ng Japan. And Team Crest ng US. We have won the tournament 3 times. 99, 3 times ba? I think 4. 91, 99, 2015, 2019. Di nga lang sila, kita po sila doon sa 3-peat nila. Sana this year. And Stina Blackstenius ng Sweden and Arsenal. Boatin ng Italy. Serto Anderson ng Sweden. Mary Fowler ng Australia, the host. And Alessia Russo, game changer ng England. And finally, we got our fans favorite na Philippines. It's Hailey Long. Wore the captain's armband in all 3 games sa World Cup. Si Hailey Long, longest tenured player ng Pilipinas na naglaro sa World Cup, and always accommodating, always produces great quotes pag interviews. Kung nakita nyo naman nung pag kumakanta ng Lupang Hinirang, very emotional siya. Sabi niya nung after the match na every time daw pag pinapatugtog yun bago yung laro, talagang parang hindi talaga mapigilang umiyak. She always said na nung lumalaki sa Amerika, nasa Amerika nga sila, pero parang yung pamumuhay nila parang Pinoy. So, Hailey Long, one of the top players nating team. And on the domestic side, she plays for Kaya Iloilo in the PFF Women's League. So, sa mga gustong makapanood ng mga games niya, ongoing yung PFF Women's League. She played, naglaro na siya sa Kaya after the World Cup. So, yan. Finally, Hailey Long. Kahit dun sa sticker, hindi natin siya nabubuksan eh. Wala tayong nakikita. Yun. Lami ng South Africa, Shanshan ng China, Ayane ng Morocco, si Beach Tuy ng Vietnam. Ilang beses din natin ito na nakikita. And Caitlin Ford, Cool Machine, also Arsenal player, and fans favorite Oshuala ng Nigeria. I think may record to si Oshuala. May nakita ko, hindi ko lang maalala kung ano yun. Parang scoring in each of the mga appearances sa World Cup. So, she was one of the reasons ba't din nakapasok yung Nigeria sa round of 16. Talo din sila agad. So, Jungmin ng Korea, Mary Earps again. England this time yung base card. Esther Gonzalez ng England. First ban ng Norway. Beat the Philippines 6-0 sa last group stage match. Another top, again a top master. Bethany Mead, Arsenal player and England player. Pero wala siya sa World Cup dahil injured siya. So, ba't ko sinabi again dahil sa previous pack open natin na bunot din natin to. Itong top master na to. So, Bethany Mead, England, and a Team Crest ng China. China made the final in 99, losing to the US by a shootout. So, to si Pickerstrand ng Norway, goalkeeper. Si Linda ng South Africa, kung na ma-pronounce. Tius ng Haiti. May Philippine player tayo. Sprigang ng Germany. I think this is tama. Si Tanay Anis ng Pilipinas. Kaso si Tanay Anis, I think isang beses nagtaro, which substitute sa nung second half against New Zealand. So, but she's also one of the captains ng team. And we got fans favorite boy ng Denmark. May lima pa tayo. So may isa lang tayong nahanap, si Sarina Bolden. Pag nabunot natin si Sarina Bolden, sabihin na kompleto na natin yung mga players ng Philippines sa adrenaline na to. So Nadozi ng Nigeria, Alexandra Pop ng Germany. Then we got Swabi ng Jamaica, Linley ng China, and then Titan Buchanan ng Canada, and Aslani ng Sweden. Fans favorite. So, makikita ba natin dito si Sarina Bolden? May apat pa tayo. Chanda ng Zambia, Rafael ng Brazil, and we got Hunge ng Denmark, Eriksson ng Sweden, and we got top keeper Giuliani ng Italy, and the Team Crest of South Africa. 3 packs left. Lilitaw kaya si Sarina Bolden. Longo ng New Zealand, Angedal ng Sweden, Schuler again, Germany, Carol ng Portugal, Yamashita ng Japan, and Team Crest ng Italy. Last 2. Lalabas kaya si Sarina Bolden. Sonju ng Korea, Luncy Bronze of England. We got Katongo ng Zambia, Jenny Hermoso ng Spain, and then Linari ng Italy, Titan, and Team Crest ng Ireland. And ito ng last pack magic. Sino kaya? Makukumpleto ba natin yung set ng Philippines dito sa Women's World Cup? Adrenaline XL, Payne ng Ireland, Borges ng Portugal, Caitlin Ford ng Australia, Swayun ng Korea, and we got rookie si Caroline ng Brazil, And then the last card is Mondesir ng Haiti, fans favorite. So yan. Yan po ang cards natin. So hindi lumitaw si Sarina Bolden para makumpleto sana yung set natin. But lilitaw din yan someday. But we also got some top players like to si Sam Kerr, Alex Morgan, Oberdorf, and Mary Earps, si Pop, and may tayong mga team crash dito. So yun, review lang natin yung mga nano natin na Philippines: Tanay Anis, Hailey Long, Olivia McDaniel, and Jessica Cowart. So yan. So again, papalapit ng katapusan ng FIFA Women's World Cup, and it will be very exciting kung anong mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw. And so abangan natin yan. So hindi natin alam kung makakapag-pack open ulit tayo sa susunod. But again, salamat sa panonood, and until next time.